Hi guys, so now I watch a basketball. So with my friend, that's all. Let's start and watch a basketball.
For today's video, nanood tayo sa court.
Lalarga na yung mga inday, yung mga bata.
Hindi ba? Hindi tayo makikinig. Na ganun, huwag mo lang pansinin. Para natin.
Huwag kang gagalaw.
Tayo. 7. Hi guys, we're watching basketball.
We're watching a basketball. We're watching a volleyball, ay basketball. We're watching a basketball.
Ano lang pinag